इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं टेस्ट क्रिकेटर साजिद महमूद। उनसे हम पूछते हैं कि जो क्रिकेट का वर्ल्ड कप शुरू हो रहा है, जिसमें अब तक काफ़ी मैचेस खेले जा चुके, क्या कहेंगे क्रिकेट का वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में शुरू हो गया?
वर्ल्ड कप तो हर वक्त अच्छी टूर्नामेंट है और अभी शुरू हुआ है। बिगेस्ट गेम तो होगी सैटरडे को इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के दरमियान। वो तो that's going to be the biggest game in all the tournaments. Pakistan India is the biggest game. But look, the tournament will be good. There'll be some interesting cricket already being played. I think some of the favourites in the tournament, I would say India are very tough to beat. They have a good balanced side. They have the home crowd. They have the home pitches, so it's very tough to beat India in India. But I think the other three teams that will do well, Pakistan obviously, we always do well in ICC tournaments. England, a very good side. They've shown that over the last few years, and obviously they're the reigning World Cup champions at the moment. And then I think Australia also have a good chance. Another team probably who have a good chance in New Zealand. I think they're playing very good cricket at the moment.
तो क्या कहेंगे कि पाकिस्तान अपने दोनों मैचेस जीत चुकी है, वो रिदम में आ चुकी है। आईसीसी का वर्ल्ड कप में पाकिस्तान अब तक कोई मैच इंडिया से नहीं जीता, तो कैसा देखते हैं पाकिस्तान के चांसेस?
Look, Pakistan ICC trophy में sometimes first at the start of the series they lose some matches and they get good rhythm. This time they have good rhythm at the start of the series. But look, Pakistan, they've never beat India in the World Cup, but maybe this year will be the year they beat India in the World Cup in India. So, I mean, both teams are playing very good cricket. So, I mean, if Pakistan play to their potential, they can beat any team anywhere in the world.
कौन सी चार टीमें आप समझ रहे हैं कि सेमीफाइनल के लिए क्वालिफाई कर लेंगे?
I think Pakistan, India, Australia, and England.
और फाइनल?
Final, I think, will be India and England, but I would love to see an India-Pakistan final.
अच्छा, क्या कहेंगे कि जहाँ पे जो मैचेस हो रहे हैं, बड़े अप्स डाउन हो रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी आ रही है, आप इंग्लैंड को कहाँ देख रहे हैं कि इंग्लैंड की टीम बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, खासकर जो उनके नए कोच आए हैं उनकी और एक बैलेंस साइड है, तो क्या कहेंगे?
Yeah, England have got a very good side. Obviously, they're currently the world champions. उनके पास भी बहुत मोमेंटम है अभी, उनके पास बैलेंस साइड है, अच्छी प्लेयर हैं, सभी परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं अभी as well. And they will have confidence because they're the reigning champions. They've been playing good one-day cricket for maybe 6-7 years now, and their team hasn't really changed much. Their team has been very consistent, and I think that will give the team confidence. A lot of the players have played IPL as well, so they're used to the Indian conditions, and I think that will put them in a good position to do well in this competition.
इंग्लैंड और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के दरमियान जब भी एशेज होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग एंजॉय करते हैं, तो पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के दरमियान भी इस किस्म की सीरीज होनी चाहिए, सियासत को साइड पर रख के स्पोर्ट्स को प्रमोट करना चाहिए।
100%. I think Ashes obviously is a big series for any Englishmen and Australian people, but I think for the world, everyone would love to see India and Pakistan play test matches in India and Pakistan and one-day series in India and Pakistan, because look, the people of the countries are crazy about cricket, and I think the world is crazy about watching Pakistan and India play cricket against each other. And every single tournament that there is, ICC tournament, India, Pakistan are always in the same group. Why? Because that's the biggest match that people want to watch. And if they're in different groups, they may not play. So they have to be in the same group because that's the best team, best game that people want to watch. So I think if India, Pakistan don't play test cricket and one-day cricket against each other, I think it would be a huge shame for not just India and Pakistan, but for the whole world.
बिल्कुल, साजिद महमूद को यही कहना था कि इंडिया और पाकिस्तान को आपस में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैचेस खेलने चाहिए। दुनिया जो है वो इन दोनों टीमों के दरमियान मैच देखना चाहती है, जिस तरह वर्ल्ड कप में सैटरडे को 14 तारीख को तमाम तर लग रहे हैं इंडिया और पाकिस्तान मैच के ऊपर।